No, for true though. No, Pascal, I come in to make we investigate the girl. Me I send British, me I send all of my friends them. I say, I don't like this ain't right. I'm gonna check back on Vanessa bling. I'm serious about it. Serious about it. I'm supposed to know my by now. Judgment. May I make sure keep check. I can turn on post notification over there until I humble myself. I chat too much that she and Cartel can't agree. Pascal, don't laugh. I'm going to listen to what Michelle say about fuck it. Too. I know the song what she sing, Dripping Mink. And the screenshot, somebody must send the screenshot over Pinky. And if Pinky, it look like Vanessa attack Shensia. I remember say them bad them way there, you know. Remember say them bad them way there. Yeah, curl your ear for fuck it. Then you're outside here. When I go look here, I must have something. Can't wear. But I tell him I met the man gone with the OC car. He left him money in the car. But this time I never get up out of the bed. So me I go just ready and just there, sit down and waiting on the key. I'm waiting on the key. My Omega come out. My wig not turn good. So good in the lap on a Sunday. Where you did expect for see? Late baby here. I'm not gonna wear. I'm just done cook. Eh? Tell me now. Cause I know you see it on my page when it done good. So make me know there. Cause me just pop it off, you know. So make me know. Fix it for what? For you? For the pan life? Eh? Make me know there. Cause you never understand that people not fix themselves for company life. I don't feel like who not fix themselves for about half a trillion. And them suffer there. Listen, honey. Cause when a bitch is out, she's out. Yeah? Alright. Shan, period. Like, bitches know. When a bitch do her hair and do her face, how it goes, it's a dolly box popping out the box. The fuck? Hi, Maki. No, but my man have to fuck me without the wig. No. And I literally have to take off my wig because he's going to pull it off. And why would I want to have a ballad moment during the sex? I don't want that. I don't like that. First of all, my behavior like says, see me, that's how pull back so worse if it's about. Look at cousin. I don't want to. Listen, y'all don't provoke my spirit. Y'all just don't, okay? Okay. Y'all just don't. Cause see, I beer yesterday when time I go so I just rub up my contour curly mousse and put in my olive oil sheen and wet this with water. Keep it hydrated and flash it 2 times and rake it with my brush. Bitches new again. Right? Y'all wig can't do that? Sis, what kind of wig you got? Because if your wig can't do that, you ain't a wig. Right? You love when the man pop off the wig. No, but I don't have no edge. Much less the edges. So why me even make him give me an edge? I don't want an edge. I don't want an injection. Don't go gone. It don't go gone. No, for true. We're going when me want a man give me an edge. But I mean that one, when me come down, no ear line. The ear can't cross no road. I don't like that. 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 See? I have to use my discharge spray for those go stand lift up alright. This guy look like I glued on she to the might. No safe at all. When me I do with a man, he meet me in a week? No. Cause them time there me I wear about when me I wear them time there. Me I wear when it's something name. Remember said before solo a Yaki Expressway I wear. You can buy all half pack for 12 bills, alright. When him see me I wear New Jerry, Indian Jerry, all type of Jerry. All type of Jerry. So I wear, but I still wear human ear now. But me I kill the 6 bills back here them to me see them raise it to 758 bills, my love. And then him can't pop off any ear more. Cause back to bad all the boy by them. And the boy by them. Same can. It's supposed to. Yeah, firm too. Same can. Pull it back, babes. All you want, a year off this. Him supposed to. Him supposed to. Yeah, my team ask this. Right, my baby, right? Right, me baby. Get it up, get it up, get it, get it. No, I don't know. I'm not supposed to know. I don't know for trouble my spirit, guys. It's gonna be a whole joke to me. Y'all know it's gonna be a whole joke to me, right? No. My ear one cane or still. My ear not pleasant at all. But if you don't say fuck it, I don't want to do it. I wear my tall ear, you know. My mama can pick, choose, and refuse. Where you go? Talk to me. We wanna say on a Sunday. On a Sunday. Bitches, keep your opinion. Yeah. Right? May I get fat? Talk to me. I have to show you guys my happy weight. Hold on. I'm making progress. I have gone 2 more pounds. Oh. Bam. Bam. Hey. Fuck it. Here I come. Twerk it, baby. Fuck it, baby. Oh, I just eat. I'm belly flatter than this. I know you bitches need this body for summer. Y'all bitches need slim body for summer. Imagine it. I need to me to show for the designer body. I'm gonna say, just give me a little body. And just stiff up back the breast. When you can't talk to me when you roll out. None at all. Mad. Sure. Just imagine it. No, man. Just imagine it, man. Just it. Pascal. Me, if we put on 10 more pounds by summer, I'm gone. You know, I want to try the amphetamine. I say erase out. I remember some sick with my heart. Anyhow, I try the amphetamine. And it just give me 10 pounds. Remember, the boy don't make me feel like a big backyard. So just imagine. No, for you guys. I'ma stop this. No man, true though. For true. Yeah. Whoa, Lord. That me not like when the one time I get look weird, you know, cause them it know me not shape good from mornings. I mean I tell you say it want me out of shape more like water. Me for those, you know I'm a bust too bad pose. Starfish should go summer body. Yeah, we have to go over summer body. Hey, hey, hey. Life nice. Better. Life nice. Life nice. You don't know me across this, don't. You don't know though. You don't know though. I Imani baby.